Hello friends, so now 7.5 exercise, all three methods over, okay, 1 to 17 over, 18 left, 19, 20 over, okay, and 18 is a lengthy sum, easy but lengthy. So first taking the question number 18. There are 4 brackets, 1, 2, 3, 4, बराबर? चलो, we can use partial fraction method if higher power is in the denominator. So check the power. If we multiply both the brackets, both the sides, so here x power 4, here x power 4, it means power same. If your power same, then we cannot use partial fraction method. So if our power is same, then making denominator in numerator. This is our method. So these are the brackets. Bracket wise, we cannot make denominator in numerator. We have to multiply both the brackets. So first one, product of the brackets. So x square multiply with both. So x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus x square, 3x square and plus 2. Same downside. X raised to 4 plus 4x square plus 3x square, 7x square and plus 12 dx. Now making denominator in numerator. We need x power 4 plus 7x square plus 12 upside. How to make? So x power 4 completely given. Done. Now we need here 7x square, but we have 3x square. So our requirement 7x square upside, but we have 3x square. So 7x square minus 4x square. तो हो गया कि 7x square ready and minus 4x square. So subtraction is a 3x square. And now we need here 12. So if we write plus 12, so we have to write minus 10. So 12 minus 10 is a 2 and 12 ready. Okay. And downside x raised to 4 plus 7x square plus 12 dx. Done. So separate your denominator. It means separate the denominator term in the numerator. So x power 4 plus 7x square and plus 12. Upon all, another two terms are minus 4x square and minus 10. Minus sign common. So bracket is 4x square plus 10 upon denominator. Ready? Denominator separate. This both the term cut. 1 dx minus second integration 4x square plus 10 upon, now एक स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा करते हैं, x पावर 4 प्लस 7x स्क्वायर प्लस 12 dx. So there are two integrations. First integration is easy, only 1 dx. And now in the second integration, 4x square plus 10, downside x power 4 plus 7x square plus 12, higher power downside, तो partial fraction method. But कोई भी method fit नहीं हो रही है, because no 2 or 3 brackets, no any one bracket whole square and no x square. So this one equal to, can we write these two brackets? So 4x square plus 10 upon x raised to 4 plus 7x square plus 12. So product 12, addition 7, 4 3 12, 4 plus 3 7. It means these two brackets x square plus 4 and x square plus 3 dx equal to I1 minus I2. Now starting with the I1. What is I1? Integration 1 dx. So integration of 1 is x. And this is I1. So plus C1. I1 ready. Now we need just solution of I2. And I2 is important and lengthy. Now I2. 4x square plus 10 upon 2 brackets. X square plus 4, x square plus 3 dx. Ready? So, we cannot use here method number 1 because in the method number 1 we need the x type 3 or 2 brackets, x plus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, so this is not method number 1. Method number 2 is any one bracket whole square. Here no bracket whole square. So this is not method number 2. So method number 3 is possible. Okay, चलो अगर इतना ही है तो मीन्स अगर यहाँ पर x plus 4 है and x square plus 3 तो हम क्या करते हैं a upon x plus 4 and this bracket is bx plus c upon, right? But now both the bracket x square plus, right? So x square plus means ax plus b and cx plus d. So this is the method number 3 but different. No single bracket. Okay? No single bracket तो no a upon single bracket. तो x square plus 4 तो ax plus b and x square plus 3 तो cx plus d upon. Okay? Method number 3 but different method. Method 3 is different part. Okay? चलो taking four x square plus 10 upon x square plus 4 x square plus 3 equal to no single bracket x square and x square तो ax plus b upon x square plus 4 plus second bracket also x square तो a b over now c and d तो cx plus d upon x square plus 3. Understood? This is our equation number 3. 1, 2. Now 3, 4 and 5. बराबर? We need 4 variables. After finding the ABCD, then we will put the value of ABCD in equation number 3 and then integration of equation 3, then over. Done? Okay? Jump. Multiplying both the side by denominator. Multiplying both the sides by denominator is x square plus 4 into x square plus 3. So here left 4x square plus 10 equal to ax plus b into this bracket multiplier to x square plus 4 cut and x square plus 3 plus cx plus d into x square plus 3 cancel and x square plus 4. Now our target ABCD कोई भी वैल्यू में नहीं मिल रही है because x square plus 4 x square plus 3 x square equal this bracket equal to 0 तो x square equal to minus 4 not possible and x square plus 3 equal to 0 तो x square equal to minus 3 which is not possible. So what to do in this? X square equal to minus 4 not possible, x square equal to minus 3 not possible. तो directly we cannot put the value of x in the equation number 4. So we have to find the equation number 5 by multiplication. So 4x square plus 10 as it is. So 4x square plus 10 equal to directly multiplication ax cube plus 3ax बराबर ax cube plus 3ax plus bx square plus 3b बराबर ax cube plus 3ax plus bx square plus 3b plus now these two multiply cx multiply with both cx cube plus 4cx plus dx square plus 4d. Okay, so 4x square plus 10 equal to right side higher power cube. तो x cube common and a plus c x cube. Now x square common and b plus d. So b plus d into x square plus x common. So 3a plus 4c 3a plus 4c into x and constant term 3b plus 4d. Done. This is our equation number 5. 1, 2, 3. Equation number 1, 2, 3 means here equation number 3, 4, 5. Okay. We no brackets equal to 0 possible. We have to find the value of a, b, c, d from equation number 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can make 4 equations. So here no x cube, no x. Okay. So this side coefficient of x cube 0. This side coefficient of x 0. Coefficient of x square 4 and constant term equal to 10. So comparing the coefficient of x cube, so a plus c equal to 0. Now writing same AC type equation. So here the AC type equation, it means coefficient of x. So now comparing the coefficient of x. So this is our अलग नंबर बात कर दे नंबर 1 and comparing the coefficient of x. So 3a plus 4c and what is the coefficient of x this side 0. So 3a plus 4c equal to 0. Another two equations are b plus d coefficient of x square comparing. So b plus d equal to 4. So this is our mini number 3 and constant term 3b plus 4d. So 3b plus 4d equal to 0 na? No. 3b plus 4d equal to 10. So this is our number 4. So how to find ABCD? तो solving this to A and C ready, solving this to B and D ready. Okay? तो क्या करें? तो putting A equal to minus C in equation number 2, it means equation number 2 continue. Putting A equal to minus C here, A equal to minus C, तो minus 3C plus 4C equal to 0. 4C minus 3C equal to C, तो C equal to 0. C equal to 0, तो A also 0. Done? Now solving this too. तो यहां पर क्या करते हैं putting d equal to 4 minus b, 3b as it is, plus 4 into d, and d equal to 4 minus b and equal to 10. चलो डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेशन, 4 4s are 16 and minus 4b, तो 3b minus 4b minus b याद रखो, and 4 4s are 16, 16 take other side, 10 minus 16 minus 6, minus b equal to minus 6, so b equal to 6, b equal to 6, and put b equal to 6 in mini number 3, so here b equal to 6, 6 other side, 4 minus 6 minus 2, so d equal to minus 2. Okay, ready? After finding the value of a, b, c, d, then our next work, putting the value of a, b, c, d in equation number 1. But here 1 is a 3. Okay, so putting the value of a, b, c, d in equation 3. Therefore, 4x square plus 10 upon 2 brackets x square plus 4 and x square plus 3 equal to ax plus b. A is 0, so 0 into x 0 plus b, what is b? 6, 6 by x square plus 4 plus c, c is 0, 0 into x 0 plus d, what is d? Minus 2, minus 2 by x square plus 3. Now taking integration both the sides, so integration 4x square plus 10 upon 2 brackets x square plus 4 x square plus 3 dx equal to integration 6 upon x square plus 4 minus 2 upon x square plus 3 dx. Both x square plus 4 and x square plus 3. So x square plus 4 means x square plus a square and x square plus a square. Here a is 2, here a is root 3. So 6 common. 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. What is your a? 2. Tan inverse x by 2 minus this 2 common. 1 upon x square plus a square, a is root 3. Tan inverse x by root 3 plus c. Therefore, final answer of I2 is equal to, here C2. 6 by 2 is a 3. Tan inverse x by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Tan inverse x by root 3 plus C2. And this is our equation number. This is 5, so this is 6. Now, putting the value of I1 and I2 in equation number 1. So what is your equation number 1? I1 minus I2. Or I1, what is I1? Answer of I1, x plus C1. ओके I1 माइनस I2, तो कांस्टेंट क्या होगा आपका C1 माइनस C2. बस C1 माइनस C2 याद रखो. नाउ I1 माइनस I2 तो x एंड माइनस I2 तो माइनस 3 tan इनवर्स एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस 2 by root 3 tan इनवर्स प्लस C, वेयर C इक्वल टू C1 माइनस C2. I2 इज नेगेटिव, I2 आपको नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो दिस वन माइनस, दिस वन प्लस एंड दिस वन माइनस, तो C1 माइनस C2 एंड यहाँ पर दोनों की साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. तो दिस इज योर फुल्ली क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. ओके 2-3 टाइम कैलकुलेशन करो, प्रैक्टिस करो, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यहाँ. ठीक है, ओके. हाँ, तो 18 ओवर 19-20 तो हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में किए थे, ठीक है। अप टू 20 ओवर। तो नेक्स्ट नंबर 21, 22 and 23. So here our 7.5 over, and then all illustrations about 7.5 exercise. So let's start our number question 21. 1 upon e raised to x minus 1. बराबर। जो there are two methods for the question number 21. One method is, क्वेश्चन में जो हिंट दिया है वो e raised to x equal to t, हमें वो नहीं करना है, बराबर। वो भी हो सकता है। हम क्या करेंगे, इक्वल टू 1 minus e raised to x and plus e raised to x and denominator separate. Here minus common, so bracket is a e raised to x minus 1. So this both cut, and integration minus 1 plus e raised to x upon e raised to x minus 1 dx. Now converting this integration into two parts, minus common and 1 dx plus integration e raised to x upon e raised to x minus 1 dx. So how to solve this one? How to solve this? Oh, the one is simple, x plus c. And how to solve this one? E raised to x equal to t. So e raised to x dx is given. Okay, so equal to I1 plus I2. Now starting with the I1, including minus and 1 dx, minus x plus c1. Now I2. What is I2? E raised to x upon e raised to x minus 1. Taking e raised to x equal to t. So derivation of e raised to x is a e raised to x dx 1 dt. So putting all data in our I2, e raised to x dx is a 1 dt, and downside e raised to x equal to t. So t minus 1. So I2 equal to log mod t minus 1 plus c2, and I2 equal to log mod t means e raised to x minus 1 and plus c2. Now putting the value of I1 and I2 in equation number 1. Putting the value of I1 and I2 in equation 1. Equation 1 is a I1 plus I2. बराबर। I1 answer minus x and plus c1, and I2 answer log mod e raised to x minus 1 plus c. C equal to c1 plus c2, and this sum is over 21 over 22 and 23 आपको करना है। चलो, no end for the question number 22. There are two methods are possible. Higher power downside to partial fraction method number 1 we can use to solve this question number 22. And another method is a 7.4 type. Multiply and then function and derivation. Okay? जो भी आपको करना है वो 23. चलो, question number 23. Again there are two methods. Number 1 partial fraction, method number 3 a upon x and b upon bx plus c upon x square plus 1. अदरवाइज मैंने आपको एक शॉर्टकट दी थी, याद करो, प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. फॉर दिस 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड डिनोमिनेटर सेपरेट. तो यहां पर क्या होगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कट एंड 1 अपॉन एक्स, एंड यहां पर क्या होगा 1 टाइम एक्स कट एक्स अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1. नाउ यहां पर तो ओनली 1 अपॉन एक्स, तो log mod x, एंड यहां पर x अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1, तो एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू टी. शॉर्टकट. तो 23 में वही यूज करना. ठीक है. नाउ आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 देन आवर 7.5 एक्सरसाइज ओवर. बराबर. You require more practice. of 7.5, up to 7.5 and of 7.5. Okay, चलो now up to example 10 over, last में हमने example 10 किया था. Next 11, 1 upon x plus 1 x plus 2, same like this sum. If we multiply, तो only perfect square method or partial fraction method number 1 possible for this example 11. Okay, चलो 12 बाद में करेंगे, बराबर. 13 हो गया, 14 बाद में करेंगे. Now 15 3 sin 5 minus 2 upon 5 minus cos square 5 minus 4 sin 5, and here cos 5 d5. And now look, phi is not constant. If your angle x, so x and here dx, so now angle is phi to d phi. Here integration is with respect to phi. So how to solve? So this bracket sine, here sine, and outside cos. So can we convert this one into sine? So sine equal to t. So cos phi d phi equal to dt. Okay, so converting downside into t. Three sine phi minus 2 upon phi minus and bracket cos square phi equal to 1 minus sine square phi, and minus 4 sine phi as it is, and this is here cos phi and d phi. Ready? So arranging our equation, this bracket 3 sine phi minus 2 upon, now 5 minus multiply, तो 5 minus 1 is a 4, याद रखना, minus minus plus and sine square phi, minus 4 sine phi as it is, and 5 minus 1 is a 4 into here cos phi d phi. Done. Now taking sine phi equal to t, so cos phi d phi 1 dt. Putting all data in our integration. तो आपका इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? Sin phi is a t, तो 3t minus 2 upon t square minus 4t plus 4 and cos phi d phi equal to 1 dt. You know very well how to solve this 7.4 method. Either use 7.4 method or convert this one into two brackets. बराबर? एक काम करो, मैं आपको थोड़ा बहुत ये हम पूरा सोल्व करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 15 है ना, पूरा सोल्व करते हैं. ये रफ कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. साइन फाई इक्वल टू टी, बराबर. जो आउटसाइड फंक्शन cos एंड मेजोरिटी साइन, तो here cos square, so we have to convert this cos square into sin square. After converting into sin square, then easily all sine outside cos, so sin equal to t, and equation quadratic form ready. Now this is a 3t minus 2 and t square minus 4t plus 4 na? Okay, equal to, वहां से continue, upside 3t minus 2, downside, जो downside क्या हो रहा है? एक मेथड फिक्स, अब 7.4 मेथड फिक्स फॉर दिस सम. 3t minus 2 and t square minus 4t plus 4, तो फंक्शन एंड डेरिवेशन. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेशन ऑफ दिस टर्म? 2t minus 4, तो 3 कॉमन, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, देन minus 4 and plus 4, डिनोमिनेटर सेपरेट, i1 and i2. in the i1 function and derivation take u, and in the i2 convert into perfect square. पर वो लेंथी हो जाएगी आपके लिए. तो डिनोमिनेटर इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, तो डिनोमिनेटर इज a t minus 2 whole square or not dt. Now this is our partial fraction method number 2. एक सम में हमने यूज भी किया है कि टेकिंग 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 whole square equal to a upon 1 power and b upon 2 power. Single bracket नहीं है यहाँ पर, तो only a upon and b upon, and this is our equation 1. So multiplying both the sides by denominator t minus 2 whole square. So here left 3t minus 2. This bracket here multiply, so 1 time t minus 2 cancel and a into t minus 2 and plus here t minus 2 whole square cancel and only b left. A and b, but we have the one bracket and one bracket equal to 0, so only we can put the value of t equal to 2. By putting t equal to 2, we can find out of this a and b any one value. And one thing fixed, this equation is in t form, so all in t form, up to answer all t form, and then at last we have to put the value of t, which is sin phi. Barabar? Equation is in t form, so t form, okay. All calculation, all method in t form. Now, to get the second value, we need the third equation, at minus 2a plus b. So, 3t minus 2, this is 80 plus and minus 2a plus b. Or if one value is possible t equal to 2, so putting t equal to 2, or put t equal to 2 in equation number 2, so t equal to 2, 3 into 2 6, 6 minus 2 4, equal to t equal to 2, here though 2 minus 2 cut, only b left. Okay, here b ready, b equal to 4. Now, in equation 3, we need a, so comparing the coefficient of t, so a equal to 3. Now putting the value of a and b in equation number 1. Therefore, integration only, but we are putting just a and b. So 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 whole square. Equal to a upon t minus 2. What is a? 3. 3 upon t minus 2 plus b. What is b? 4. 4 upon t minus 2 whole square. Now taking both the sides, integration. So 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 whole square dt equal to integration 3 upon t minus 2 plus 4 upon t minus 2 whole square dt. This integration 3 common and easily we can solve. And in this integration 4 common and we have to take upside because t power 1 but whole power is not 1, so 1 upon t minus 2 whole square. But 1 upon t minus 2 whole square डायरेक्ट ही करते हैं, क्या होगा? तो अगर t minus 2 taking upside, तो t minus 2 power minus 2 dt. Now this is log mode and this is 1 power increase divided by power. So equal to 3 log mod t minus 2 plus 4 and here 1 power increase divided by power. So t minus 2 whole power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. Okay. Now Next step, 3 log mod t minus 2 minus outside, upside 4 and downside t minus 2, because t minus 2 power minus 1 the downside, and plus c. And now putting the value of t. The value of t is a sin phi. So final answer 3 log mod t is a sin phi. Sin phi minus 2 minus 4 upon t minus 2 means sin phi minus 2 and plus c, and this is our final answer. Okay, चलो तो this is your example 15. अभी कितने बाकी है? 12, 14 and 16. बराबर, 12, 14, 16. Okay. Next, taking the example number 12. Okay. तो next lecture में बाकी क्या होंगे हमारे? Number 14 and number 16. Just 2 illustrations. Okay. तो finally this method over. But in next lecture. Okay. चलो, example number 12, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 6, higher power, not in denominator, same power. Okay, same power, then making denominator in numerator. So power same, so making denominator in numerator. So x square ready, but there is a no x term upside. And अगर यहाँ पर पहले से ही x square नहीं है तो हमारी मेथड क्या होती? फंक्शन एंड डेरिवेशन. फंक्शन डेरिवेशन भी कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज हायर पावर डाउन साइड तो पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन आल्सो पॉसिबल. ओके, बट देयर इज ए x स्क्वायर. चलो तो नो x टर्म, तो minus 5x and plus 5x, and we need 6 but we have 1, so minus 5 upon x square minus 5x plus 6 dx equal to x square minus 5x and plus 6 separate. Another two terms are x square minus 5x and plus 6 separate, so plus 5x and minus 5 plus 5x minus 5, and denominator separate, x square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. So here both the term cut and 1 dx plus integration here 5x minus 5 upon x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. Ready? This is I1 and definitely here the different method, right? चलो, you can use 7.4 method again. जब भी ऐसी कोई टर्म है तो एवरी टाइम मैं बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ पर कि ये 2 methods are possible. One method is function and derivation, x square derivation is 2x, so 5 common. तो 5 totally common possible and multiply by 2 and then minus 5 and plus 5. ओके, तो वो तो आपको पता है कि 7.4 में जो I1 I2 हो रहा था वो तो लेंदी मेथड थी, बराबर. बट वेयर इज द हायर पावर डाउन साइड? हायर पावर डाउन साइड, तो पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन वी कैन यूज ऑल्सो हियर. ओके, बट पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन में एक प्रॉब्लम है कि 1 dx रेडी but downside different term, तो factorization possible है. We can make 2 brackets, तो 5x minus 5 upon product 6 and addition 5, 3 2s are 6 and 3 plus 2 5, and here how to get minus 5 by using 3 and 2, minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, so x minus 3 and x minus 2 dx. Ready? Now equal to I1 plus I2. Solving I1 is a 1 dx. So I1 answer x plus c1. Now solving I2, what is I2? 5x minus 5 upon x minus 3, x minus 2 dx. Now partial fraction now possible. Okay, a upon and b upon, taking 5x minus 5 upon x minus 3 x minus 2 equal to a upon x minus 3. So b upon x minus 2. 1 but 1 नहीं, 1 and 2 तो हो गया 3. यहाँ पर 3 4 5 होगा. बट ये मेथड नंबर 1 तो ओनली 3 and 4. फिफ्थ इक्वेशन की कोई रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगी. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ दी साइड बाय डिनोमिनेटर, multiplying both the sides by x minus 3 and x minus 2. So here left 5x minus 5 equal to a into x minus 2 and b into x minus 3. Now if x equal to 3 and x equal to 2, ready? Now x equal to 3. So putting here 3, so 3 minus 3 0. Okay, first putting 3 here. So 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 5 10. Ready na? 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 5 10. And here putting 3, so 3 minus 3 0. Here putting 3, so 3 minus 2 1. 1a. Okay, here ready. A equal to 10. Now x equal to 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 5 is a 5. 2 minus 2, this one 0. And 2 minus 3 minus 1, so minus b. B equal to minus 5. Putting the value of ABC in equation number 1. But here your equation 1 is a equation 3. Putting the value of A and B in equation number 3. तो इक्वेशन 3 क्या होगा हमारा? 5x by 5 upon 2 brackets x minus 3 and x minus 2 equal to a upon x minus 3. तो a is a 10. 10 upon x minus 3 plus b. What is b? Minus 5. Minus 5 upon x minus 2. Now taking both the sides, integration. So integration 5x minus 5 upon 2 brackets x minus 3 x minus 2 dx equal to integration. 1 minute. 10 upon x minus 3 minus 5 upon x minus 2 dx. This integration continue. 10 common, log mod x minus 3 minus 5 common, log mod x minus 2 and this is I2, so C2. बस टेक्स्ट बुक में कोई भी यहाँ पर अरेंजमेंट हमें नहीं करना है. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ I2 and done. Now this is our equation number 5. Okay, so 2 and 5 are I1 and I2. So putting the value of I1 and I2 in equation number 1. Okay, now putting the value of I1 and I2 in equation 1. So what is your equation 1? I1 plus I2. Okay, I1 plus I2, so definitely in the constant term C1 plus C2. So answer of I1 x plus now I2 10 log mod x minus 3 minus 5 log mod x minus 2 plus C where C equal to C1 plus C2. Calculation arrangement possible here but हमें नहीं करना है. Okay, चलो तो this is your example 12 and over. Now left two illustrations, number 14 and number 16. We will solve in our next lecture.